Let's try to come up with a team name.
Please tell me you did not just say that.
Why?
Just forget it!
Donut, we need a way to identify ourselves.
Whatever!
Whoa, Pin, what happened?
Last night I got really nervous about being eliminated, so I got all sweaty.
But this isn't sweat, it's ooze.
I know. Pin sweat ooze, not water.
Weird. Anyway, got any team names?
Oh, let's call ourselves the Coiny Pin Donut Bunch.
Seriously, that's all you could come up with?
Well, what do you suggest?
Something with a little more pizzazz. I've got it. I can roll like a wheel, you're covered in ooze, and Donut's got a hole.
So what's our name?
We'll lose a whole bunch.
Coiny!
What?
This isn't funny.
Well, if you don't like it, you can go eliminate yourself.
OMG, Pence. Did you see that?
Yeah, Icy made an ugly face.
Icy's such a hideous menace.
Icy, I can't look you straight in the face anymore.
Doi, 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 doi. Keukensteig.
TV. That was horrible.
Yeah, we deserve better than that!
Keukensteig. Keukensteig.
Stop! That's not any better!
We're here! Yes! Let's see what my prize is. Sigh.
No!
Now our team consists of only 2 members.
Yeah, someone better switch to our team or we're doomed.
Hey, does anyone want to switch?
Fine, if no one wants to switch, then we'll make them switch!
Let's take Teardrop,
Why her?
because she's my best friend.
How do you know?
She's the only one who hasn't said she hates me.
Well, let's take her and get out of here.
Wait! Teardrop will only switch if she wants to switch.
Fine. Teardrop, if you refuse, we'll let you go back. Otherwise, you're mine!
I can't believe they just did that.
Whatever. Teardrop wasn't really much of a leader anyway. Let's just get to the contest. Well, get digging, Bommy. The ingredients are probably underground.
So how are we going to do this? Yeah, we need yoil berries for yoil stew.
And the nearest yoil berries are in Yoil Land, which is 2,763 miles away. It'll take months of walking.
But only days of flying.
Flying? But nobody here can fly.
Turn around. Spongy, gelatin, book, needle, and ice cube. You can all ride Puffball to Yoil Land. Bring back lots of yoil berries. But if you guys ever come across a wild leafy, get away as fast as possible. Yeah, listen to Pencil. Now go. As for the rest of us, we have to put together the other ingredients for the stew.
So where do we start?
Well, we need a bowl, and bigger is better.
Is my bowl big enough?
Nowhere near, but mine is.
Guys, you're all thinking too small. If we want a big bowl, we must build it ourselves. I've drawn where the base of the bowl should go. Nickel, Yellowface, Fiery, Dora, and Rocky, you build the bowl. Ruby, Fry, Smash, and Pencil, you get the ingredients.
You didn't assign yourself a job.
I'm team manager.
Great excuse.
This isn't an excuse, it's a very necessary and demanding job.
Yo, let's see what you say when you get kicked off. And what about you?
Co-manager.
Whatever. Get digging, Dora. The ingredients are probably underground.
Well, we're doomed. We've got no yoyo berries or flying puffballs.
Let me see those seeds you got as a prize. Yup, they're yoyo seeds. Just plant them, and they'll grow yoyo berries in seconds.
Seconds.
There isn't enough room up here. That's better.
Huh? That's a relief. Now that the bridge is broken, Evil Leafy can't cross. We should be safe.
Need to kill someone right away? Then buy
Yellowface, we don't have time for ads. You should be building our bowl. And you two should be going to Yoyoland. We fell into a forest and Evil Leafy chased us out. Spongy was with us, but Evil Leafy captured him.
Yes!
Match, not nice. He was our teammate.
Listen, I've had to deal with Spongy for over, 17 million years, and it's such a relief to finally see him gone.
Voila, done.
Yes, high five. Teardrop, that high five wasn't for you.
Yeah, TD. Everyone knows you aren't a real contestant.
Sounds good. Needle, let's get yoyo berries.
Yeah! Ruby, want to join our alliance? But what about Bubble? Isn't she in your alliance?
Sadly, she's dead.
And Ice Cube? Well, Ice Cube made an ugly face, and, we don't like that. Then I will join!
Yeah!
Get digging, Nickel. The ingredients are probably underground. I'm glad that I'm not too needy.
Don't call me needy!
Why did you do that, Needle?
I didn't mean to!
It's okay. I've got acid spitballs. One hit and Leafy will disintegrate into ash.
Huh? Whoa, 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 whoa.
I think we've got enough yoyo berries. Let's go!
Get digging, Rocky. The ingredients are probably, underground.
OMG! I got an idea! Let's blow bubbles to bring Bubble back to life!
Yeah! I've got my bubble solution and blowing wand, so let's do it!
OMG! We can have our original alliance back! Wait!
What?
Dipping your wand and blowing a bubble is so much work, right?
No, it's not.
And for what? A friend that you did fine without? One that can't even count to 3? Totally not worth it!
I think it's worth a try.
Please! You've got better things to do.
You're being weird, Ruby.
Just trying to save a friend from wasting her effort on things she doesn't need.
Good, you're back. We're almost done.
Get thinking, Yellowface. The ingredients are probably down there.
I think we're done with this too.
You guys can stop.